Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to install the Jalapeno Rear seat cover. This is the perfect seat cover if you're toting around kids or other athletes or even dogs. So it's super simple to install. It's a universal fit, very similar to our other products, except it's longer and perfect for a bench seat or a rear seat. So here's how you do it. Seat attaches with these headrest hooks. So you just attach these behind your headrest. You can tighten them for a better fit. On the bottom, you have these anchors that you can tuck into your seat so they stay in place, even if the kids or your dogs are getting a little excited. There's a seat skirt on the bottom for extra protection, so it has elastic to keep it in place as well. You just drape that around. Then I'll go to the other side to show you how to finish it. Do this on the other side. Get the straps going. Tighten it up. Get this anchor in. And then we are good to go. Easy as that.